Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Thursday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day today. So as you can see, today I'm actually going to be doing 2 unboxings in one video. I chose to do it this way because these are both bi-monthly subscriptions, and I think that bi-monthly subscriptions are fantastic, and I thought it would be fun to kind of just do 2 bi-monthly boxes in one video. So we have the April/May Tribe Beauty Box and the April/May American Influencer Award Beauty Bundle. So I'm going to briefly go over both of these boxes and then we'll get into them and see what we got. So again, this is for April/May 2020. Now, Tribe Beauty Box is $34.99 bi-monthly, and I will put a link down below as well as a promo code that will save you 10% off. That is Southern Mom. And with Tribe Beauty Box, you're going to get 5 full-size items in each box, and they're going to be from indie and woman-owned businesses or brands. And it is actually a Canadian-based subscription, but it's amazing. And they do have customizable options at times, which I love. So sometimes you can go in, they may have 2 or 3 different palettes to choose from, and you can select which one you prefer the most. You know, so like I said, it does have different times where you can customize. They do also have a new eyelash subscription that recently just rolled out, so that's something to think about as well. Like I said, I'll put that link, promo code down below for you guys in the description. And then with the American Influencer Beauty Bundle box, that is $34 bi-monthly, so basically within 99 cents they're the same price. And I will put a link down below for that one as well as a promo code, which is Southern. That will actually get you 10% off your first 2 months. Now, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle is actually every other month when it comes out. It is curated by an influencer, and they will base the box, that go around, on the influencer's passion and their expertise. So it could be makeup, it could be hair care, it could be skincare. Just depends on which influencer curates the box that month. So I think that is super fun. One thing I do love about the American Influencer Beauty Bundle is they do donate $1 from every box sold to the City of Hope for cancer research. I think that is amazing. I love when boxes give back. So let's get into these 2 boxes and see what we got for April/May 2020. So the Tribe Beauty Box, I'm not sure if there's something in here that wouldn't fit into the normal box, because this is the first time I've seen it come this way in this like bubble mailer, but it still does say Tribe Beauty Box, and it's still pink. So yeah. All right, so let's open it, and I'm just gonna kind of pull everything out. Okay, so we do have a card, and what I like is this card does go over pricing, and it looks like, just as a brief look, it looks like they've actually broken it down in US dollar and Canadian dollar. So that's really awesome. I like that. All right, so the theme for April 2020 is baby doll. So we will start with this product right here. This is the Annette 69 highlighter by Beauty Creations. This is $15.99 US, $21.98 Canadian. The perfect highlighter for any shade, buildable, blinding, and golden. Get over the interdull blues, cannot talk, I apologize, and get ready to shine all spring and summer. All right, so this is the actual package. It does have a nice size mirror, and wow, that is a lot. That's a big size highlighter, and you guys, that's actually that is a gorgeous color. Let's see. So there it is on my finger. Okay, I can already kind of tell that I like this, because this is that, like, it's not gonna be bam, like in your face, like this Jeffree Star highlighter right here. This is gonna be that, like, ooh, look at her. Like glow. Did it even say that? Like from within glow? It doesn't, but that's what it reminds me of, just like you're glowing. So there is that guy right there. All right, and then we have a cognac sponge. Clean skin is always in, 100% vegan and organic. All right, so here is what the actual box looks like. And this says cognac sponge facial sponges by Greyson Stella. It's $15 or $20.50 Canadian. The cognac facial sponge acts as a gentle exfoliator, rubbing off dead skin cells in the most delicate manner, while its natural fibers effectively and simultaneously clean dirt and makeup away from your skin. 1. Wipes off stubborn traces of makeup from your face. 2. Treats clogged pores and acne, resulting in a smoother and clearer complexion. And 3. Acts as a gentle cleanser and exfoliator to make skin look more radiant. So, and it says, the charcoal activated cognac sponge is great for all skin types and can help improve skin texture, stimulate blood flow, reduce signs of aging, and balance pH levels. All right, so there's 2 in here. So we have a white one and then this. So this is probably just a regular one, and this is probably the charcoal infused, if I was guessing. So kind of balance, it's like a yin yang. Balance out there. Can use the charcoal, or you can just use the regular sponge. All right. And then we have Rose Quartz. This is it right here. Lip Plump by Skin Chemist. This is $29.99 US or $41 Canadian. The Rose Quartz Lip Plump can give you a fuller pout without the pain and commitment offered by fillers. This lip plump is designed to hydrate the lips whilst actively boosting them for a fuller pout, leaving them soft and lightly glossy. With key ingredient Volulip, derived from the Kiss Me Quick plant, this lip plump aims to stimulate the production of hyaluronic acid, producing an active plumping effect. Circulation of blood to the surface of the lip is further enhanced by peppermint oil, producing a fuller pout. Well, I like that it has peppermint in it, because then your breath is always going to be fresh. So here is what it actually looks like. See if you can smell the peppermint. Oh yeah, you can really smell the peppermint. And it's gonna go on clear. I mean, it kind of has that pink tint to it here in the tube, but it's so light that when you're actually wearing this, this is not gonna have any color. It's like your natural lips, but better. All right, and then we have, it looks like we got 2, it says 2 times, Lip Definer by Mirabella Beauty, and it's $18 or $24.70 each, so $36 right here. Smooth pencils that outline cheek or work as an all-over lip color. Shades Cheeky, Smart, or Tease. And I got Tease and Cheeky, Smart, or Tease. Tease. This one doesn't tell me on the box. Smart. All right, so this first one is Smart. And then we've got all right, and then we have Tease. So there is Tease. And there is Smart. So let's see. Smart is definitely more of a purple, whereas Tease is more of like a mauvey pink. So 2 lip liners. And then our final item here is the Rose Period palette by Suva Beauty. This is $40 or 56 Canadian. The Rose Period palette is directly inspired by Pablo Picasso's Rose Period, a time in which Picasso heavily used uplifting pink and orange hues in his paintings. The palette allows for the softest and most subtle looks to incredible sultry and smoky eye makeup. Let's see. It feels nice. So it matches the outer packaging. Very, very pretty. Wow, y'all. What? All right, so there is a very nice large mirror. And then those colors, they're stunning. We've got, there's 12 shades and we have 4 shimmers and 8 mattes. Like you could do so many looks because you've got really light to darker tones. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. So that is everything that came in the April 2020 Tribe Beauty Box. So let's see what we got in our American Influencer box. All right, so we have the American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and we are going to cut it open and see. It is very heavy. And when you first open it, it says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you." And I can see that the influencer this month is Guy Tang. So here on the back, it's gonna go over the products, including pricing, so that is awesome. And this is all hair care. And this card here says that, I created #mydentity because I wanted to create a line that brings back the fun and excitement in our industry. But most of all, I want to create a community that empowers our #hairbestie family and enables all of us to find our #mydentity, because when you know who you are, you have the courage to do anything you dream of. Oh, I love that. So we have all hair care products. That's exciting. All right, so the first one we've got right here, this is #myhairlube, finishing hair lubricant. So reduces breakage by 98%, controls frizz and flyaways, improves shine, manageability, and smoothness. And this is $32. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. That smells so good. Okay. Ooh. All right, and then we have the #myquickblow spray. Protecting quick dry spray. $28, reduces blow dry time, protects against heat damage and breakage, adds shines and reduces frizz. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh my gosh, that smells fantastic. What? Yes. Yes. All right. And then we have the #myspotlight. This is a rose gold shimmer spray. And if we kind of shake it, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Ah! This is $28. Adds dimensional rose gold shimmer, detangling and smoothing, improves manageability, and adds shine. So again, that is just, oh, it's so pretty. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, this smells like the blow dry spray. That smells so good. Oh, getting excited. All right, and then we have My Confidant, we have the shampoo and conditioner. So we're like good to go with hair care. That's everything in the box, and I am excited. So color securing shampoo, color securing conditioner. So there's both, and they are both 10 ounces. So let's see. It says prolongs color tone and vibrancy for up to 50 shampoos, sulfate, paraben, and sodium chloride free, detangling and adds shine. All right. Let's smell the shampoo. Y'all, oh my gosh, this stuff smells so good. And this is the conditioner. The conditioner smells really, really good, but it's actually a little bit lighter scented than I expected, but that's not bad in it for any reason. I mean, the rose gold spray is going to be going into my hair quite a bit, and it smells phenomenal. So yeah, we have shampoo, conditioner, we have a hair lubricant, we have a quick blow dry spray, we have the rose gold shimmer spray. We are covered. So we got 5 total products. I will add up the value of the American Influencer bundle and the Tribe Beauty Box bundle, and I'll put them down at the bottom of the screen here so you guys can see the value of the Tribe Beauty Box and the value of the American Influencer bundle. So yeah, I just thought it would be fun to do 2 videos in one, or 2 boxes in one, especially since they are both bi-monthly. They're literally like the same price. But obviously, because one is always going to be curated, this one, by an influencer, it's not really like a comparison like one versus the other. It's just, they're very similar, so I figured I'd do them together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you like videos like this where I do more than one box in a video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.